everybody. I just wanted to go over how to apply for Robotics Club with all of you. So this year for Robotics Club, our theme is going to be, we're going to be building robots that can solve mazes. And so we're going to be doing lots of different projects with our robots. So I wanted to talk to you about how to apply if you are interested. First, our meetings are going to be on Thursday afternoons from 3:50 to 4:50. And there's no cost to join. You don't have to pay money, but everybody needs to bring a clear shower curtain, which you can get really cheap at the dollar store, and you need 2 Sharpies, one in 2 different colors. And then you'll also need a big adult pair of scissors that can cut through cardboard. So those are the things that you will need to bring to Robotics Club if you get in. So there's no real cost, but your parents will have to buy a little bit of stuff. So to apply, this is the application on my screen right now. Your teacher is going to post it on their eClass page for you. So after this video, they will tell you where it is if they haven't already. The application is not going to be emailed to your parents. So if you want to apply for Robotics Club, you have to put in the effort to do it. So at the beginning of the application is a bunch of important information. This information will answer most of your parents' questions. So if your parents have questions about Robotics Club, you can show them this video, or you can have them read this information here at the top. But I am not going to answer parent emails about the application. If you have a question about the application, you have to come see me, all right? Because the whole point of this application is for you to show me that you are a problem solver. If your parents are having to solve your problems for you, then you're not a problem solver, and Robotics Club might not be right for you. So make sure that if there are any questions you have about Robotics Club, you come see me. If you get into Robotics Club, then I'm going to send your parents an email with all kinds of information about Robotics Club. But I'm not going to answer any parent requests about information that's in the application or about the application. Okay? So you're going to read this first. All right? It tells you that we need students who are going to work hard, who are problem solvers. It tells you this application is due on the September the 18th. Oh, it says 23. It needs to say 24. Give me a moment. There we go. September 18th, 2024. It tells you when we meet. It tells you there's no cost to join, but what you have to bring. All right. So all of that information that your parents are going to need is up here. Now, here's your part of the application. You're going to put your first and last name. If you don't put your last name, you'll lose points. You're going to choose your homeroom. You are going to explain why you want to be in Robotics Club. Now, if your parents are forcing you to be in Robotics Club, all right, you can tell me that here, and I'll make sure that you don't actually get in, okay? So if you don't actually want to do Robotics Club, you can tell me that here. If you don't want to do Robotics Club and your parents don't care, then just don't do the application, okay? But I don't want you to have to do it if you don't want to do it. So the next part here, you're going to convince me that you can keep our robotics parts organized and clean. So give me some examples of how you're going to do that. And then tell me which programs you've worked with before. And then the next section is all about programming. So you have to go to this website and do lesson 1, okay? Or actually a few of the lessons on controlling the turtle and pen. And then these are some of the questions for the codes that you do in those lessons. So all you have to do is go do the lessons and then copy and paste the codes you used for each of these things here. Okay, so there's 4. Make sure you test your code, because when I'm checking these, I copy your code back into Turtle and I run the code. So make sure that you've actually done it and it actually works. All right, the next section is the research section. This is all about using technology to solve problems. So we're going to see if you can do some research here. All right, the first thing is you're going to use technology to translate the following sentence from Welsh to English. So you have to figure out a way to translate this sentence that's correct into English, all right, using technology. You have to tell me 5 different programming languages. So you have to find that answer using technology. And this last one, you have to tell me what x equals. I'm not asking you to solve this. I'm asking you to find the answer using technology. All right, I know you don't know how to do this. I don't want you to know how to do this. Okay, I just want you to use technology to find this answer somewhere. All right, so this is the parent parent information section, this is the part your parents should help with. Everything else you need to do on your own. Okay, here I need your parents' name, I need their phone number, and I need their email. And I need you to make sure it's correct, because this is how I'm going to let them know if you made it into Robotics Club and send information to them. So don't put their email because you think you remember it. Actually talk to your parents and get their email. So this is designed to be done at home. If you have no internet access at home, let your homeroom teacher know, and they will try and work with you to find some time so that you can do the application. If you have internet access at home but you don't have a computer, this is a school thing, so you can take your Chromebook home. Okay, so if you need your Chromebook to fill this out, you can take your Chromebook home. The settings should let you stop and continue later. So if you need to stop in the middle, you should be able to resume your application. So check with your teacher, make sure you know where this is. Again, it's due September 18th. So make sure that you do it. If you want to be in Robotics Club, we're going to have a lot of fun. Robotics Club lasts until winter break. So there's only Robotics Club for fall semester. So that's when it will end. So here's all the information your parents need. If they want to know the answers to questions, you need to open the application up and show them. If you have questions about any of this, you're welcome to come see me and talk to me. And that's all I have for you guys. Bye.